At Acqua Lodge, every villa is shaped by water. The flow of the sea inspires architecture, bringing freshness, energy, and reflection. In the heart of Bocas del Toro, design and nature exist in perfect balance. Here, the rhythm of the ocean guides creation, every line, every space, every view. Our philosophy is simple. When design listens to nature, the result is timeless harmony. Discover a new era of tropical luxury where architecture breathes with the sea.